So we are now joined by the owner and the operator of this incredible facility. We're joined by Josh. Now, Josh, people hear of Bikram Yoga. It's a different type of yoga, though. How would you describe it?
Bikram Yoga is a traditional style from Calcutta, India. So it's very authentic in that nothing's really changed when it transferred over into North America. And the name comes from Bikram Chowdhury, which is part of the Vishnu Ghosh lineage. Yoga is in lineages, basically, is how it's broken down. And it's a beginning yoga series, but the big thing is it's the original style of hot yoga. So the classes are heated, allowing the body to get warm and more pliable, so we can start to bend a little bit easier.
Okay, so I've never done a class like this before, and you look inside and it looks a little bit intimidating. What would you say to people that have never tried this before? What would be tips of the trade?
Yeah, we get that question quite a bit. And, you know, anything that's worth doing takes a little bit of effort. So it is for everybody. We have people that are 13 that come into class and who are 85 that come into class. They don't have to have any fitness experience whatsoever. And none of the moves that we're doing are very quick or jarring or hard on the body. And that's what the heat is for, actually. Now, that being said, it doesn't mean that it's easy. You have to get acclimated to being in the room. So the key is, and the instructors really reiterate this quite a lot when you first come, is to take it very easy. You're allowed to come in your first classes, do a couple postures here and there, lay down half the class if you need to, doesn't matter, just to sort of get used to what's going on. Okay. And another thing for people that don't know the series is that it's actually the same yoga series every time. So once you've taken a few classes, mentally it's a lot easier because you know what to expect, you know how to deal with being in there, your breathing is a lot calmer, and then it's not so bad. You can start to have a fun time a little bit more. Okay, so is there anything that we need to do before we come, or any way that you can prepare before you come for your first class? It's not entirely. I mean, you want to come very well hydrated. Most people roll around in North America about 30% dehydrated anyways. We're going to sweat a lot when you're in that room, so that will come to the surface right away. So drinking a lot of water generally for the couple days before will help when you first start, and keep an open mind and a smiling face. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to speak to Josh more coming up in this show and find out how they are giving back to a community right here in Red Deer.